Hello everyone. Now this is example number 4 of a problem involving indices. Without using logarithm tables or calculators, evaluate. Now to solve this problem, we need the laws of indices because we are not going to use a calculator or even a mathematical or logarithmic table. Now to solve this first part will apply this law that x power negative m over n is equals to 1 over x power positive m over n, which is the nth root of x power m. So we'll apply this law in the first part. Then this part of the numerator will apply this law that x m over n is equals to the nth root of x power m. Then this part here will apply this law that x raised to negative n is equals to 1 over x power n. Then here we'll apply this law x power 0 is equals to 1. Now solution. Now applying this law here, our n is 2, our m is 1, and our x is 64. So we'll have square root of 64. We'll have the square root of 1 over 64, then raised to 1 times the cube root of 27,000 power 2, then over a half power 4, then times 3 power 0 times 5 power 2, or 5 squared. Now the square root of 1 over 64 is 1 over 8 times the cube root of 27,000 is 30. So 30 squared over 1 over 2 power 4 is 1 over 16. Then times 3 power 0 times 5 squared. Now 1 over 8 times 30 squared. 1 over 8 times 900, which is 225 over 2 when you simplify this, then over 1 over 16 times 3 raised to 0 is 1 according to this law. So we'll have 1 over 16 times 5 squared is 25, right? So we'll have is equals to, so 225 over 2, then over 25 over 16. Now this part the same as 225 over 2 divide 25 over 16. So we simplify this, we get the reciprocal of this. We'll have 225 over 2 times 16 over 25. So we'll get 2 into 16, that is 8 times 25 and 25 once, 25 into 225, that is 9 times. So 9 times 8 is 72.